How to fix Bluetooth in Windows 11. So if your Bluetooth on your Windows 11 is not working properly and you want to fix it, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, to subscribe to my channel. So in this video, I will show you a couple of ways that will help you to fix your Bluetooth. So let's start the procedure. First of all, you have to click on this search and you have to search for the services. Once you will click on it, it will redirect you to this page. And as you can see, multiple services are running here. So now you have to search for the Bluetooth. So right now, here is the three services related to the Bluetooth is running. You have to right click on the properties and here you will see start and stop. So simply if this service is not working, simply click on the start and you have to do the same procedure for these two as well. Go to the properties, click on the start, and now you have to connect your Bluetooth device with any device to check if your Bluetooth is working or not. And if your Bluetooth is not fixed yet, so simply again click on the search and you have to click on the troubleshoot settings. Click right here, and here you have to click on the other troubleshooters, and now here you will see different options. So simply you have to go to the Bluetooth and here you will see run. Just click on it. If your Bluetooth is not working properly, it will find a problem on your device why your Bluetooth is not working. So right now my Bluetooth is working properly, so it's not showing me anything right yet. But also you will get different ways from here to fix your Bluetooth, or also you can contact to the support to help you to fix your Bluetooth. The last way is that simply you have to click or right click on this Windows icon and here you will see device manager and here you will see Bluetooth. Just click on it and different Bluetooth related devices drivers are here. So simply you have to click one by one, right click one by one here, and here you will see update driver. Simply update your driver from here and try to connect your Bluetooth with some device to check if your Bluetooth is working or not. So these are the few ways to fix your Bluetooth in Windows 11. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.